What's the deal? What's the deal, my people? It's your girl Smooth, and I'm back with another subscriber's request. We got Preston. He commented down below, Afrika Bambaataa and the Soulsonic Forest Planet Rock official music video, man. So I think I know about them. If I'm not mistaken, they that Bambaataa. I think this is the same person that made that song. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, comment down below more things y'all want to see on the channel, man. But until then, we're gonna full screen this thing. We're gonna get straight into it. Let's do it.
Party people, can yo get funky? Soulsonic Force, can yo get funky?
Oh yeah.
The Zulu Nation, can yo get funky? Yeah, just hit me.
Oh yeah, I done heard this before.
Just get on down.
Hey, look, if you ever seen the beginning of the TLC movie that they made, BET or whatever, with Keke Palmer and all that shit, this is what they dancing to in the Jelly Bean. Like, what?
Just get on down. Bambaataa's getting so fucking hit me. Yeah, just hit me. Time to chase your dreams about the seats. Make your body sway. Socialize. Get down. Let your soul lead the way. Shake it now. Go, ladies. It's a living dream. Love, life, live. Come play the game. Our world is free. Do what you want but free.
Our world is free. Okay, yeah, of course I heard this beat, of course. Ooh, that little shit was hitting back then.
The Soulsonic Force is the big power. And MC Glow, we emphasize this show. We got ego. Make this your night and slip it right in my day.
I would have been. If I was in the crowd back then, I would have been fucking it up. Like, I just would have been out there just doing it all like this. Not playing none of that shit.
Live it up, shucks. Work or play, our world is free. Be what you be. Are hot with nature's children dance and set a chance on this mother earth, which is our rock. The time has come and work for soul. Show you really got soul. Are you ready? Pump, 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 get bump. Now let's go. House is rocking, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, don't stop. Keep taking it.
Damn, they was
all around the clock. Everybody keep rocking.
What the fuck was that? Them niggas was. Ooh, they was hitting that shit. Dressed like fucking, I don't even know what that is. Indian Chiefs. That breakdance is just so cold. Back then, I would have definitely had to get into that. I know y'all was probably walking around with y'all boomboxes back then. Nigga, bust this song on.
Such a melody, our world is by the plan of a master jam. Get up and dance, time to chase your dreams. About to see, make your body sway. Socialize, get down, let your soul lead the way.
I might have to add this one.
Go, ladies, it's a living dream. Love, life, live. Everybody gotta rock it, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, don't stop. You gotta rock it, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, don't stop. You gotta rock it, don't stop.
You gotta rock it, don't stop.
You gotta rock it, don't stop it. You gotta rock it, don't stop.
Hey, okay, rock it, don't stop it. Gotta rock it, don't stop. Alright, I fuck with that. Alright, Afrika Bambaataa. Alright, the Soulsonic 4th, that shit was fire. I might have to get more into that catalog. Alright, Preston, that was a good one. That was a good little take. I appreciate the comment, man. Until then, I'll catch y'all on another one and comment down below some more stuff y'all want to see on the channel. Until then, we out.